Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two flagship powerhouses, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro. Both devices push the envelope in terms of performance, features, and design. But which one comes out on top? Let's break it down. Starting with design, the Samsung S25 Ultra is sleek and modern with its large dynamic display and premium glass body. It's a device that commands attention with its bold look and cutting-edge curved screen. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Pro sticks to a more refined, minimalist approach with its ceramic shield front and matte glass back. It feels just as premium, but with a more subtle aesthetic. Both phones have excellent build quality, but it really comes down to your personal preference. The sharp curves of the Samsung or the polished edges of the iPhone. When it comes to display, Samsung is known for its stunning AMOLED screens, and the S25 Ultra is no exception. With vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, it's one of the best displays you'll find on any smartphone. However, the iPhone 16 Pro comes with its ProMotion OLED display, offering great color accuracy and a smooth refresh rate as well. The iPhone display might be more color true for creative work, while the Samsung shines with its eye-popping contrast. Under the hood, both phones pack a punch. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, delivering top-tier performance across the board. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro comes with Apple's A17 Pro chip, which is renowned for its efficiency and raw power. While both devices handle multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps with ease, the iPhone might have a slight edge in raw performance, especially with gaming or resource-heavy applications. Now let's talk cameras. Samsung has always pushed the boundaries with its camera technology, and the S25 Ultra doesn't disappoint. With a massive 200-megapixel main sensor, 10x optical zoom, and a wide array of lenses, it's a beast when it comes to versatility and detail. The iPhone 16 Pro, on the other hand, is known for its superb color accuracy and consistent image quality, especially in challenging lighting. With its triple camera setup, the iPhone offers impressive results, but it's more about that natural, balanced look rather than raw megapixel power. Battery life is always a critical factor, and both of these phones pack impressive batteries. The Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with a larger 5,000 mAh battery, which Samsung says can last all day even under heavy use. The iPhone 16 Pro's battery life is slightly smaller but optimized with iOS, making it very efficient. Both devices should easily last through a full day, but the S25 Ultra might have the advantage when it comes to sheer battery capacity. When it comes to software, Samsung runs Android with its One UI skin, offering a lot of customization options and features, while the iPhone 16 Pro runs on iOS 17, which is known for its seamless integration with other Apple devices. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem, the iPhone is an easy choice, but if you like having more control over your experience, the Samsung might be more up your alley. So which one should you choose? If you're all about stunning displays, versatile cameras, and a more open software experience, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the perfect fit. But if you're looking for peak performance, tight integration with your other Apple devices, and that signature iPhone polish, the iPhone 16 Pro is the one to go for. Whichever you pick, you're getting a flagship device that will not disappoint. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward.